Google Earth Engine is a powerful, cloud-based platform designed for processing and analyzing vast amounts of geospatial data. It provides access to a massive archive of satellite imagery and geospatial datasets, allowing researchers, scientists, and policymakers to monitor environmental changes, map trends, and conduct large-scale analysis with ease. Getting started. To use Google Earth Engine, start by signing up for an account at earthengine.google.com. Once approved, you can access the code editor, a browser-based interface where you can write scripts in JavaScript or Python. This is where you load satellite images, apply filters, and run powerful geospatial analyses. Key features. One of the biggest advantages of Google Earth Engine is its ability to process large-scale datasets without needing powerful local hardware. It enables users to access decades of satellite imagery from sources like Landsat, Sentinel, and MODIS. Apply filters to focus on specific regions, time periods, or spectral bands. Run complex calculations to analyze changes in land use, vegetation, and climate patterns. Visualize results directly in the interactive map interface. Example use cases. Google Earth Engine is widely used in many fields. Environmental monitoring. Scientists track deforestation, glacier melting, and pollution levels over time. Disaster response. Emergency teams analyze satellite data to assess damage from hurricanes, wildfires, and floods. Urban planning. City planners use it to study land use, population growth, and infrastructure development. Agriculture. Farmers and researchers monitor crop health, drought conditions, and irrigation patterns. Why use Google Earth Engine? Unlike traditional GIS software, Google Earth Engine runs in the cloud, meaning you don't have to worry about data storage or processing power. It also has a vast library of built-in functions that make geospatial analysis more accessible to a wide range of users. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or policymaker, Google Earth Engine gives you the tools to analyze our planet at scale, all from your web browser.